beer, it's good for you.
Hello and welcome to the video. In this video I'll be looking at an upgrade kit and also a new laser cut filter. The designers behind the Brewtools systems have been working hard to bring upgrades to their original designs, and they are keen to share the latest developments with all of the user base, hence why these items are available for separate purchase. This is not a review as such, but here is a look at my full disclosure disclaimer just in case. Feel free to pause the video to read this in full. Let's start with the upgrade kit. This is supplied boxed as shown on screen now. This upgrade kit is available for the older 40 litre and 80 litre Pro systems and brings them up to date with the current design, mine here being the 40 litre version. Shown on screen now is what is included in this box. Let's move through each part on screen and identify them. Here we have the new sparge pipe, mash hat, legs for the malt pipe and all the required silicone gaskets and parts. You will also note that there is this silicone grease tube supplied. This is used when attaching the new gaskets, which are provided in this new funky blue colour. This is an important upgrade kit as all future accessories that relate to circulation and sparging will need this setup. It is pretty awesome that this up-to-date setup has been made available to all owners, and furthermore it has been priced without profit, a rarity these days for sure. Let's take a look now, starting with the sparge pipe and mash hat. These parts have been fully assembled and you will note that I'm left with 3 spare gaskets. A nice touch. The first small gasket goes at the bottom of the sparge pipe with the larger piece at the top. The second gasket goes into the mash hat as shown, and both of these need to be positioned correctly using a screwdriver, which I found took about a minute each. Once this is installed, it does not look super different to the original, but it is certainly more sturdy and eliminates leaks. This last part of the kit updates the legs for the malt pipe. What will be required for this upgrade will totally depend on which version of the Brewtools you have. I have the original version, which had a limited production run as shown on screen now. This version requires the drilling of 3 holes. Most users will have the next version, now shown on the bottom left of the screen, which can simply be removed and replaced using the Allen key supplied with the new version. The new version is much thicker and certainly sits better. Personally, I have not had any issues with the original version, but having said that, this whole process would probably not take more than about 10 minutes to update, and these are locked into place using the supplied wing nuts and Allen key screws, so maybe I should just do it anyway. Seems a guilt trip is developing here. Moving swiftly on, here is the new laser cut filter. If this does not look sexy to you on screen, then trust me that it does up close and personal. This is steel blasted and electro-polished stainless steel. This has been designed for maximum durability and very easy cleaning care. This is without doubt the highest quality filter I have seen on a homebrew system by a long way. The gap width is 1.3mm and it features a pre-cut and ready hole that is ready for use with forthcoming accessories. The first of these, I'm very pleased to say, will be an adjustable overflow pipe. Here are 2 photos side by side, both taken in low light with highlighting at the same degrees of Kelvin and the same positioning. This clearly shows how polished and shiny this new filter is, along with how pleasing it is to the eye in comparison with the old style filter. The homebrew market is full of brewing systems, but the vast majority are either downright ugly, some even looking like a dustbin, or are pretty mundane looking. None of this can be said about Brewtools, that is for certain. To discuss this or any other brewing related topic, then feel free to join this YouTube channel's Facebook group. Links are shown on screen now and the only requirements are towards conduct. We simply expect members to be friendly and respectful to each other. This now brings this video to a close. If you have any questions, then please let me know via YouTube or Facebook. I do hope that you found this video to be useful, interesting and enjoyable. If appropriate, then please like this video on YouTube, and if you've not done so already, then please subscribe. I regularly post new content. Happy brewing!